Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and I had this hat made a long time ago. But I'm going to show you what I ordered from Printful. So Printful, I was going to use for doing merch, right, for YouTube. So I redid my squirrel hat. This one had been done on Teespring, which they call Spring now. I ordered this on March 11th, and they gave me 20% off the order, and it is now March 16th. So that's pretty good turnaround time. But remember, a lot of times we're competing with Amazon and everything's next day. So just think about that. All right. This looks pretty good to me. So this hat's like 2.5 years old. You can see, but like stitching's really held up. This one is embroidered, obviously. It's pretty good here, right here on the seam. This isn't perfect, but it looks pretty good. And then the backing's still here on the squirrel. You can see in this hat where the backing is coming off the squirrel. But yeah, this is brand new from Printful. And this is an Auto hat, which is nice. Auto makes nice hats. So this is your basic dad hat. All right, so that came pretty quickly. They will give you 30% off if you order within the first 24 hours, I think, or maybe 48 hours of you like starting an account and designing, but only 3 items, by the way. Give me a discount on 3 items. All right, watch. Oh, and by the way, there's a tag on here that says March 13th, so maybe that was when they completed the order. Okay, this is just like, you know, your basic paint on top of the hat. And they give more designs there. So I have a dragon here and I have a squirrel here. Watch Pittsburgh Pat on YouTube. And it's pretty good. It's not as vibrant as I wanted it to be. This color is kind of like greenish yellow. So I will definitely pick a different color next time. This is another auto hat. Shoot, I should have got the other style. They had, I think, Yupong, like this one. But, yeah, one size fits all, right? So you got the expandable, adjustable strap, which is pretty nice. These are nice. They hold up pretty well. This one has one that's a little different, but, yeah, these hold up pretty well. So far, so good. I'm okay with this. All right, so there's the hats. And then I got a t-shirt for my wife's pottery business. So we'll see. T-shirts. Ooh, feels nice. 100% cotton. Terra by Terra. Make art, feed squirrels. Make art, feed squirrels. So that's Terra by Terra shirt. So I'll let you guys decide. You can take a look at the paint there. So you decide whether or not you like that. Is this a large? It's supposed to be a large, yep. And I didn't put anything on the back, but you can do that. All right, so that's Printful. So I'm probably going to make some more merch on Teespring because I think that interfaces with YouTube a little bit better. This Printful, if you have a Amazon store, apparently Printful fulfills Amazon store orders, so that might be transparent. Been thinking about that, but I think that's like $40 a month, so I have to like really commit if I'm going to do that because I don't just want to be throwing away my money. All right, I hope you guys are great out there. If you have any advice or comments, I'd love to hear from you. If you want to see any of these in more detail, that's fine too. I would be able to do another video for you. But yeah, I'm going to start wearing these, and I'll give you like a review after I've worn these for a while and show you how they hold up, especially the t-shirt in the wash. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm Pittsburgh Pat. Thanks all. What is it? We're up to 15,700 subscribers. Appreciate you. And I hope you have a great one out there. Take care.